a little drafty inside the old Farm Boy. And, took up the carpet. Seems, yeah, there's a few holes over here. Yeah, a little bit of rot. But, it's like someone put a floor pan over there, but just kind of screwed it in. So, it was kind of cold in here. But, just use what you got. Somebody dropped off this old dishwasher. So, it just so happens that you peel that front off. That fucker's perfect size. Didn't even have to trim it. Slap her down in there. Give her a couple kicks. Couple little sheet metal screws. Had this old waterproof silicone laying around. Half a thing of that. Might as well use that. Stuff it in the old holes. Jam some down in here. Keep the heat in a little bit. Keep the fumes out. Went to down to Lowe's. This shit was sitting on the clearance rack. Foam insulation shit. Self-adhesive. Putting around pipes or something. Nice little roll of it. $10. Grabbed that. Had this old, some old used rocker guards sitting around on the shelf. Use that for the final touch. I don't really, it's not too sticky, you know. So, got this laying around. I'm gonna spray a little bit of that down on there. And, yeah, we'll seal her up. Just an old farm truck, that's all. Whew. Oh yeah. Can't have too much of that. Spray her on there. Don't be shy. Ooh. Got a little nice little cushion to it. Really hold the trigger down on this. Really makes it thick. Oh yeah, look, see it just rolls right down on the edge there. We'll seal it right up. Oh yeah, look at that. That should hold her. Let that dry a little bit. Throw the old shitty rug back in there. It's all about using what you got. You never know what you got just laying around. You can make something better than it is. No need to go spend a lot of money on expensive shit. No Dynomat here. No. I will tell you, remember the old headers I put on here? Turns out they really were for a G-body. But they're on there. That cheap ass flex pipe I put on did not hold up. Did not last. So I wanted to show you my newest creation. Couple flex pipes, little universals. They're reinforced. Cheap, only $15 a piece. So just welded the little collector pieces right to them. Welded them right on. Had to clearance the cross member a little bit. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, had to take the old cutting torches to it, make those fit, but they just slightly bend down, and that's what I needed to do to make these work. So those should last a lot longer. I said I'd see you on the streets. I saw you on the streets. I'll see you again.